A warm welcome to everyone. I am R.Haripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion, and I am going to present a video on fashion illustration. So in this video, we are going to see about fashion psychology, role of clothing in physical, social and psychological and cultural scenarios, and human behavior and clothing. Introduction. Fashion psychology is a study of how clothing, style and appearance influences a human behavior, emotions and perceptions. It combines the element of psychological, sociology and social studies to understand how individuals express themselves through fashion and how society shapes clothing choices. So the fashion psychology is about a study of how we should use the clothing as a tool to express yourself, and what is a style and appearance and how it influences a human behavior. Influences, which means in sense of if we are wearing a particular garment, it should be attractive and it should be suitable for that particular area, particular situation. It is a human behavior, influencing the human behavior. It combines the element of psychology, so it is fully totally about comfortable of a particular human being, mental strength of wearing a particular garment. Next, sociology in sense it is full of based on society, and fashion studies to understand how individuals express themselves through fashion and how society shapes the clothing choices. So it seems to be like this. If we are using particular fashion style over, it should be overall fully covered the society. So what are all the key areas of fashion psychology? First one is self-expression and modesty. Next one is cognitive and emotional effects. Next one is social perspective and stereotypes. Next is consumer behavior and fashion trend, and next one is sustainability and ethical fashions. Next one is cultural and historical influences. So next one is key areas of fashion psychology. First one is self-expression and identity. The clothing is a form of non-verbal communication reflecting personalities and values and emotions. So first, if we are wearing some particular garments, it verbally, non-verbally communicating to others through our personality. Like if we are wearing very valuable or very costly dresses, it seems to be that we are very wealthy and we are very well educated. Like that, if we are wearing a proper dress or a proper dress code or following a proper dress code, it gives a personality value according yours. So mainly the garment plays a vital role of a person whom it seems to be. Next one is key areas of fashion psychology. If we are particularly in a places, it seems to be how it is cognitive and emotional effect. Enclothed cognition suggests that we wear and can impact our confidence, performance and mood. If we wear a particular garment, it plays a vital role in our self-confidence, performance and mood. Performance, which in sense if we are very comfortable with our garment, we can perform very well with a good confidence, and we should have a happy mood or a brave mood to against on that particular situations. Wearing formal attires may enhance the cognitive processing, while casual wear may increase the relaxations. So based on the garments, the mood can also be changed. That is, if we are using casuals, it seems to be a very good well trained person seems to be like that. If we have a good feel on while attending an interview, it gives a bold and brave feel on you. If we wears a casual wear, it is very relaxed one. It gives a relaxed feel alone. So it is a second one. Next one is social perception and stereotypes. First expressions are heavily influenced by the fashion choices. Certain colors, fabrics and styles are also associated with cultural messaging and biases. So if we are using particular type colors also, it also gives a first impression on while viewing a person. If we are going to an interview, we should have a proper dress code. If we have a dress code means we automatically the higher person will have a good thought about ourselves. So it is a main thing on here. Next one is consumer behavior and fashion trends. So how consumer behavior seems to be psychological triggers such as scarcity, limited edition items and social proof influencing trends drive purchasing decisions. If we having a particular designs or a particular editions of our designs, if it is having some demands, it will also increase the effect of way of purchasing that garments. Next, the halo effect can make the people perceive someone as more competent or attractive based on their clothing. Next is sustainability and ethical fashion. Consumers are becoming more conscious of the ethical and environmental impact of their clothing choices. Psychological plays a role in shifting attitude towards the slow fashion and sustainable consumption. Next, cultural and historical influences. Fashion reflects the societal changes, political movement and historical trends, historical events. Traditional garments carry deep psychological and cultural significance. So the next will be continued on. Next portions are continued with the next videos. Thank you.